See, this is the eBay $45 jack shaft. Comes with the bearings, the weld mounts, some snap rings. This one is a 9 tooth and a 14 tooth. That's 14 tooth. Anyway, these bearings. So in like the description, I've heard some people say, "Oh, I need to sand the paint off to get the bearings to fit." It's 5/8, so right around 16 millimeters for the shaft. These fucking bearings, the ID on these bearings was like 14 millimeters. So obviously, I had to grind down the ends to get them to fit, and I'm gonna probably put like a big ass washer there and weld it to the plate, just to. I'm not positive what I'm gonna do there, just to keep it. No, I'll put the bearing there. I'll weld it to the jack shaft to keep it from coming out this way. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But anyway, there's the little $45, $50 jack shaft kits on eBay. So I think Amazon's got them too. Just buyer beware. The key on the 9-tooth sprocket fits great. The key on the 14 tooth, but that's no big deal. That shit happens. But yeah, there's just yeah, you got to grind it down. Like, I mean, I'm cutting this a bunch of this off, but I had one on this end when I was going to do something different than how I got it right now, and it is that's how much you got to grind it down to get the bearings to go on. And then the bearing ended up about here where you see the little mark right about the end of the jack shaft. That's where I had the bearing in. So that's how much I had to grind it down, though, from 16 to like, I want to say it was like 14.4 millimeters, the ID of the bearings. So anyway, if you're cool with that, it's not a bad deal, but I just should have sourced all the separate parts out myself. Would have been better off, but it was cheap as fuck. So anyway, thought I'd let people know.